What is good, YouTube family? Dreclipperhands is back with another one, and I have a special one for you guys today. It is a 3-in-1 clipper review. Now, where they do that at, I'll tell you right here. And today, we are going to be reviewing. Let me get you up the charger. And I repeat, the gold autofocus kick in, please. There we go, the gold BaByliss, however you want to say it. Gold skeleton trimmer. This baby is absolutely beautiful, as well as the gold, and I repeat, gold. Why is autofocus so trash? BaByliss FX clipper. This baby is absolutely gorgeous. I've been using it for about maybe 3 months now, and I'm absolutely in love with this that I actually bought. The black baby, because I think the gold and black is just also another clean look. So I got these about a week and a half ago, and they work just the same, just a different color, different look. You know what I'm saying? And for the third clipper, because this is a 3-in-1, we are reviewing the gold BaByliss shaver with 2 heads, not just the one like the silver one that they have. And stick with me to hear how I feel about them. Now, I'm sure y'all want to know how your boy feels about the clippers. So we are going to start with the gold BaByliss trimmer. So off rip, you're gonna notice the look of the clipper, which is super dope, and the easy access charging port on the bottom of it. And remember the fad where people were cutting their anti outliners to allow them to stay cooler longer and get in areas like the around the ear and the mustache a lot easier? Well, these clippers are already built like that, which means it saves a lot of time. You just buy the clipper, adjust them how you like, charge them, and you can use them, baby. But these bad boys hit, and for me, it always seemed that no matter what clipper I used, whether they were amazing, they always pulled baby hair. But this trimmer literally cuts through anything, and it is big statement. It is the best trimmer that I have ever used since I've been cutting hair for 4 years. I love this trimmer. Now let's go to the clipper. Right now, looking from this clipper, it is a nice clipper. You know what I'm saying? It's gold. It's made out of material that will not like peel from the heat and wear and tear. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna stay gold. It might kind of dull a little bit, but it's not going to peel. Now, from one look at this thing, it is definitely a different looking clipper from what we're used to with, you know what I'm saying, wall magic clips and seniors and this masters. You know, these are different looking. This kind of looks like a flashlight, you know what I'm saying? But I was kind of worried when I got these about the shape and how long they are. But for me, what I can say about them is I do blend a lot better. Like, you can see the size difference between the two. But the reason I say they blend better is because with these wall magic clips, right, it's so powerful. And I do zero gap my clippers, so they're really zero gap and they cut really fast. I find that when I fade with these and when I set lines with these bad boys, it makes very harsh lines. You know what I'm saying? So if you're not careful, if you're not flicking out, the lines are a lot harsher. And the fact that these blades, hold on, let it zoom a little bit. The moving blade and the still blade don't spread apart very far. So your room to blend, you know what I'm saying, is not far apart, which unlike the masters and these BaByliss, the closed blade, at least to me, and the still blade have a very good distance apart. So it makes a lot more room for a more spread out blend and cleaner transition. Cause with these, it just feels like it's really choppy. If you're not careful, it can be very choppy. Let me put it like that, cause these are great clippers. But for me, I found fading a lot easier with these, and also the fact that they incorporated the idea within this Masters of having these notches, and they not only have the notches, but it clicks. So if you're starting off and you're trying to get, like, you know what I mean, the feel of halfway open or a quarter of the way open or all the way open feel, this is a great clipper to have, you know what I'm saying? So for me, this is definitely, if you're looking for something new and a lot cleaner at your station, I would definitely recommend these, because I love these clippers. These bad boys is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? For real, you can see how you could benefit from having this clipper even if you're not cutting. It just looks really nice on your station. It's real professional and it just looks nice. But to see how they work, we're going ahead and taking out this final guideline and this taper, you know what I mean? And I'm using the lever that has, you know, the clicking sound like I explained, and it just takes it out like it's nothing. And here he didn't have much hair, but I'm taking it down. And the clipper is not loud, which means you can have conversation with your client without worry of it being too loud. You feel me? I just copped this solid gold brick, you know what I mean? Because I got bands like that. It's like, no, these are the gold BaByliss shavers. And these also are very beautiful and nice to have at your station. It is a good representation of the excellence that you represent. You feel me? But these are the gold ones. I absolutely love them because of the clean look, because they are metal. And really the only shaver I've ever used before these is the Andis shaver, which is plastic. And you know what I mean? They got real ugly the more that you used it, just from, you know what I mean, having hands, having oil on them. They get a real faded, ugly look on the gray exterior. But with these, it is a lot cleaner, has a lot more weight. It feels much more durable. And as far as the shaving goes, it gets really close, you know what I'm saying? This helps prevent bumps and ingrown hairs, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely recommend these because these are a really nice look. And it's all about presentation, folks, and the experience that you provide, all the way from the looks to the actual service that you provide, you know what I'm saying? So present yourself in a very good way. And these clippers definitely give you a head start on that. That's how the inside looks. They sound really nice, not too loud. And as far as actual, you know, putting it to work, that joint glides through the hair, it takes it to the skin, baby, smooth, and allows that gradients to pop a little bit more. These right here are the babies. You know what I mean? I love these clippers. I love the way they look. I love the way they work. Most importantly, I think BaByliss is definitely on the come up. And I thank you guys for putting these out, because I love having these at my station. They make my videos look a lot better. They make, you know what I'm saying, just the way I present myself as a professional to other clients. Because when they see these clippers, they're like, yo, this man got gold clippers. He must be nice with it. So I definitely recommend for you to get these. Try them out. Let me know what you think about the video in the comments. Let me know experiences that you have with these clippers, pros and cons, and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Comment below, like and subscribe. Dreclipperhands is out. Follow me on IG. And yup.